Satellites orbiting thousands of miles above Earth see everything from ancient ruins buried beneath jungles to strange patterns carved into remote deserts. But sometimes these satellites reveal something far more surprising: hidden cities, massive mysterious structures, and locations that no one even knew existed. Up next, we're exploring hidden locations that satellites accidentally revealed to the world. Some of these discoveries changed history, others exposed places that were never meant to be seen, and one of them revealed something so massive that scientists were completely stunned. Let's begin with one of the most famous discoveries ever spotted from above: the Nazca Lines. In the deserts of southern Peru, enormous shapes stretch across the ground for miles. At ground level, they look like random lines scratched into the sand. But from the sky, something incredible appears. These lines form massive drawings of animals, plants, and geometric patterns. Some of the designs are more than 1,000 feet long. There are giant hummingbirds, spiders, monkeys, and enormous spirals stretching across the desert. Scientists believe the Nazca civilization created these designs more than 2,000 years ago. They did this by removing dark stones from the desert surface to reveal lighter soil underneath. Because the region receives almost no rain and very little wind, the design survived for centuries. But their true scale was only understood once aircraft and satellites began photographing the region from above. Even today, satellite imagery continues revealing new shapes hidden in the desert. But the Nazca Lines aren't the only ancient mystery satellites have uncovered. Up next is a discovery that completely changed what scientists thought they knew about an entire civilization: hidden Maya cities beneath the jungle. For decades, archaeologists believe the ancient Maya lived in relatively small cities scattered throughout Central America. But when scientists began scanning the jungle using airborne laser technology and satellite mapping, they made an astonishing discovery. Beneath the thick forest canopy were thousands of previously unknown structures, entire cities, massive pyramids, fortified walls, and long elevated highways connecting settlements across the jungle. Researchers discovered more than 60,000 hidden structures across the region. This revealed that the Maya civilization was far larger and more advanced than anyone previously believed. Some scientists now estimate that millions of people once lived in these jungle regions. Without satellite technology, many of these ancient cities might have remained hidden forever beneath the dense vegetation. Next is a strange discovery that sparked global curiosity when it appeared on satellite maps: the mysterious desert grids of the Gobi Desert. In remote areas of western China, satellites revealed enormous grid patterns carved directly into the desert landscape. Some of these grids stretch for miles across the barren terrain. The lines form massive geometric patterns that are clearly artificial. When the images appeared online, people around the world began speculating about their purpose. Some believed they were secret military installations. Others thought they might be testing sites for experimental technology. Researchers now believe some of these massive patterns may be used to calibrate satellite imaging systems or test aerial surveillance equipment. Even so, the sheer size and precision of the grids remain one of the strangest things satellites have ever revealed. But that discovery isn't even the most surprising thing found from space. Next is an ancient city that disappeared beneath jungle for centuries: Angkor. Deep within the forests of Cambodia stands the famous temple complex of Angkor Wat. For many years, archaeologists believed the temples represented the main remains of the ancient city, but satellite mapping revealed something extraordinary. Hidden beneath the jungle were massive networks of roads, canals, and reservoirs. Entire neighborhoods once surrounded the temples. At its peak, Angkor may have supported nearly 1 million people. This would have made it one of the largest cities in the world during its time. Over centuries, the jungle slowly reclaimed the city and hid much of its true size, but satellite technology helped reveal the full scale of this ancient civilization. Now for one of the most unusual discoveries visible from space: a giant spiral carved into the Egyptian desert. Near the Red Sea lies a massive spiral structure known as Desert Breath. This enormous design stretches across more than 100,000 square meters of desert. From the ground, it looks like a series of sand mounds and depressions, but from above, it forms two enormous spirals twisting across the landscape. The structure was created as a piece of land art designed to interact with the desert environment. Even decades later, the massive spiral can still be seen clearly from satellite imagery, but the most surprising discoveries satellites have made might be hidden beneath one of the largest forests on Earth, the Amazon rainforest. For years, many scientists believed large parts of the Amazon had always been untouched wilderness, but satellite images revealed something unexpected. Huge geometric earthworks carved into the ground, massive circles and squares connected by long, straight lines. Some of these structures stretch hundreds of meters across. Researchers now believe these earthworks were built by ancient civilizations long before European explorers arrived. This discovery suggests the Amazon may have once supported large and complex societies. Entire communities may have lived there for centuries before disappearing into history. These discoveries show how powerful satellites have become. They allow us to see places that would otherwise remain hidden beneath forests, deserts, and mountains. From ancient civilizations buried for thousands of years, to mysterious patterns carved into remote landscapes, satellites have changed how we explore our planet, and the truth is, Earth still holds many secrets. Every day, satellites continue scanning the surface of our world, which means the next hidden discovery could be revealed at any moment. If you enjoy exploring mysterious discoveries and hidden places around the world, subscribe to Curiosity Records for more fascinating stories from across the planet.